Ever wondered why people in the Mediterranean region live longer? This is a question that has intrigued researchers and health-conscious individuals for years. The Mediterranean region, a geographical area that includes countries like France, Spain, Italy, and Greece, is renowned for its residents' remarkable longevity. But what's their secret? Well, it's not just the sunny weather or the laid-back lifestyle. There's a significant piece of the puzzle that often goes unnoticed: the Mediterranean diet. This diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, with moderate amounts of fish and poultry, is the daily fare for the people in this region. And it might just be their key to leading healthier, longer lives. Numerous studies have shown that this diet is associated with lower rates of heart disease, certain types of cancer, and other serious health conditions. So, the Mediterranean longevity mystery may not be so mysterious after all. The secret, as it turns out, might just be in their diet. So, what exactly is the Mediterranean diet? Well, the Mediterranean diet is a unique fusion of flavors, aromas, and ingredients that hail from the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. But it's much more than just a tantalizing treat for your taste buds. It's a dietary pattern that champions the consumption of fresh, natural foods that are brimming with nutritional value. Let's delve into the main components of this healthful diet. Picture a cornucopia of vibrant fruits and vegetables. These aren't just side dishes in the Mediterranean diet, but they take center stage on the plate. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, promoting overall health and well-being. Now, imagine hearty whole grains. These aren't your run-of-the-mill processed grains, but whole grains in their most natural state. They offer a wealth of nutrients and a healthy dose of fiber. Next, think of legumes, the humble yet powerful source of plant-based protein. Lentils, chickpeas, and beans are all staple ingredients in the Mediterranean diet, lending their flavors to a variety of dishes. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is another key component. Its monounsaturated fats are known for their heart-healthy benefits. This golden elixir is used abundantly for cooking, drizzling over salads, or simply dipping bread. Moving on to proteins, the Mediterranean diet favors moderate amounts of fish and poultry over red meat. Fish, particularly fatty varieties like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for promoting heart health. Finally, the diet also encourages low intake of processed foods and sweets. It's all about embracing foods in their most natural state and shunning those laden with artificial additives and sugars. So, there you have it. The Mediterranean diet isn't about deprivation or counting calories. It's a celebration of fresh, wholesome foods that nourish your body and delight your senses. It's a diet rich in fresh, natural foods that are high in nutritional value. But how does this diet contribute to longevity, you may wonder? Well, let's delve into the science behind the Mediterranean diet and its connection to a longer, healthier life. Firstly, the Mediterranean diet is rich in fiber, a crucial component found in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber aids in digestion, ensuring that our bodies efficiently absorb the nutrients we consume. It also helps us feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating and supporting weight management. Over time, these benefits contribute to a lower risk of developing ailments like heart disease and type 2 diabetes, conditions that can significantly reduce lifespan. Now let's talk about antioxidants, the superheroes of our cells. These powerful substances, abundant in the fruits and vegetables that form the backbone of the Mediterranean diet, protect our cells from damage. They battle against free radicals, harmful molecules that can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases such as cancer. By consuming a diet rich in antioxidants, we equip our bodies with the tools necessary to fight off these diseases, thereby promoting longevity. Lastly, let's not forget about the healthy fats. In a world where we're often told to avoid fats, the Mediterranean diet embraces them, but only the good ones. Olive oil, fish, nuts, and seeds are all rich sources of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats improve heart health by reducing harmful cholesterol levels and increasing beneficial ones. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help fend off diseases related to chronic inflammation, such as arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a meal plan. It's a way of life. It encourages us to eat mindfully, enjoy a variety of foods, and prioritize quality over quantity. It is a diet that promotes balance, and it is this balance that contributes to longevity. But remember, it's not just about what we eat. Regular physical activity, moderate consumption of red wine, and a focus on enjoying meals with others are also key aspects of this lifestyle. So it's clear that the Mediterranean diet does more than just tantalize our taste buds. It equips our bodies with the necessary nutrients to fend off disease, promotes healthy digestion, and supports heart health. It's not just a diet, but a lifestyle that promotes overall wellness and longevity. Let's summarize what we've learned about the Mediterranean diet and longevity. This fascinating diet is a treasure chest of health benefits, rooted in the dietary patterns of Greece, Italy, and Spain, and is one of the keys to unlocking an extended and healthier life. The Mediterranean diet is a rich tapestry of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and olive oil. These components are not only flavorful and satisfying, but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to your health. The abundance of fruits and vegetables provides a wealth of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. Whole grains and legumes offer complex carbohydrates and additional fiber, providing sustained energy and helping maintain a healthy gut. Nuts, a key part of this diet, are a source of healthy fats and proteins, and olive oil, the liquid gold of Mediterranean cuisine, is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. But it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. The Mediterranean lifestyle promotes eating in moderation, enjoying meals with family and friends, and partaking in regular physical activity. This holistic approach to eating and living plays a significant role in achieving longevity. The Mediterranean diet's link to longevity is not just a theory or a fad. It's backed by numerous scientific studies. These studies show that adhering to this diet can lead to lower rates of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and other chronic diseases. It also has been shown to promote mental health and cognitive function, further enhancing quality of life. In essence, the Mediterranean diet is a testament to the saying, "You are what you eat." So if you're looking for a diet that not only tastes good but is also good for you, the Mediterranean diet might just be your ticket to a longer, healthier life.